Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all will be okay. Welcome back my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to change unit of unit drawing by units command. Whenever we are starting making a new drawing, then we should need to know about drawing unit because every drawing has their units. Example, centimeter, feet, inches or in other units. As we can see here by practical here that there are fractional unit like 7 by 8, 13 by 16 and 11 upon 16 and 3 by 8. Like this is fractional unit we are using, and the second one is in mm. This one is mm, 3.2 mm, 4.4 mm, 3.2 mm and so on. So and now we are going in inches. Like this third one is 2.4 inches, 0.2 inches and 4.1, 3.1 and 1.2 inches. This units has in inches. This one is mm and this one is 7.8 for fractional unit. Now you can see here on the desktop every drawing has different unit. First of all, we can type here in the drawing area units, UNITS, and then enter. Then the drawing units window will be appear, and then we can change here any units. And after that, one more, the second method is we will go by command prompt and we will here type unit. Same we have to type drawing area. Same here we have to type UNITS and then enter. Same the window will appear drawing units and we can change here and then use it. And the third method is we will type in command prompt units UNITS and then enter, and we will change here any dimensions and units like use of this drawing units. By use of these three ways we can open drawing units window. When we open that, when we got lot of options, we can change length here and the angle and inserted inches and international and which type of American standard or international standard, whatever we need we can use it. Like we will go with the length, so we have normal default value is decimal. If we need engineering we will put it engineer, and we need architectural if we are working on architectural drawing, so we will take here from architecture. If we are working on fractional drawing we will click here fractional drawing. Any drawing we want to use we can use. So basically we have the normal default value like decimal. Always we are using in decimal. This precision used to set off the number, digit of place after place of point. We have to draw 5.0567 mm length. So here we have 4 digits, 1, 2, 3 and 4 after the point. So we use that precision command to set the digit of after digit of point. So basically we are using less, so we need only 2 points after the two digit after the value, so we will select them. Now in insert section scale portion we can set units of measurement of drawing as we want, like inches, feet, millimeter, centimeter. So here is in millimeter, so we will type here millimeter. And if our drawing is in feet we can use in feet. If our drawing is in kilometer we will use kilometer. Micro inches we will use micro inches, and then click and OK. Now in the angle area we can set any unit of measurement for angle. Like we will click here degree, decimal degree, degree, minutes per second, grades, radians, as we can use always decimal and degree. And then here also precision also available, same like there, but in the degree we always in the default value is 0. And it is very important for us before creating a new drawing, we need to set up units. If we start drawing in other units, then it takes so much time to convert them into our desired unit. So friends, we need to set up before creating any drawing. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching my videos and please subscribe, like and share, comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you.